It's a Sunday, guys, and let's do some market breakdown, market analysis, the easy way. Probably you might get a signal out of this analysis, so stick around, guys. First things first, let's see. I'll remove everything and start the analysis from the weekly. That's how we do it, baby. Let's see. We have to identify market structure. So this was the last support right there. Then we had this is all right there. S or resistance. So what's the market doing? All right. We need to understand the market. So let's see if we can get our trend line. 1 2 3. 1 2 right there. Okay, 1 2 3 right there. That one makes sense. 1 2 3, that makes sense. So let's now hit the daily and see the market behavior. For an easy interpretation, guys, I like to use my drawing tool or the brush tool. All right, so this is an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So this might be somehow impulse. So after that, probably you might get that correction. But if we try to zoom around this zone right here, I see that markets kind of gave me an equal high right here. So that might be some sort of a double top. I don't know, but then we only react to what the market will be doing currently at that time when the market will be live. All right, so if we do identify that zone to be quite sensitive, let's see, because I still believe the market might do this. This was a correction, maybe impulse to finish that journey to the top, or rather the market might do this, then give me this kind of a correction to go down or to reverse. So let's see at the 4 hour. All right, so at the 4 hour, let me see if I can get patterns. So how about we bring our demand and supply kind of a strategy right here. All right, so then let's call that out. Let's call that out, baby. We need to call that out. So how about we say that this should be our supply zone right there. That's the supply right there. Then now we call out this zone right below here as our demand. All right, so that is it. So we need to lock this. All right, so look at this. So right now we need to interpret what the market was doing around this zone right here. All right, around that demand and supply zone, in order for us to understand that, oh, when the market opens, then this is what we should be doing. This is the right decision we should be making. All right, like I say, I like using my brush tool to interpret, guys. All right, we need to read the codes. So maybe the market went back, hit that high, went down, hit that low, went up, hit that high, tried to go back to hit that low, but then the market started going up. So let's see. All right, so now let me try to see if I can get trend line and try to see if the market will be making sense for me. All right, this is it, baby. This is it, guys. I don't like leaving any stone unturned, yo, because the market is usually crazy. The market might really manipulate you. All right, the market might manipulate you, and I have this policy: no pattern, no shapes. Then what, guess what, I won't take any entry decision if I don't see a pattern and a shape. I won't take any decision. All right, so currently what I'm seeing is this market wants to drop. I've already with that kind of drawing. So this might be top right there, another double top now to go down. That's it. Now we understand what the market wants to do. Now that is just what the market wants to do. That is what we understand. But then what is the market doing currently? All right, the market has to be telling us something right now. Okay, so you just don't want to fall in for those manipulation. Of course, we know that the market wants to go down, but currently what is the market doing? All right, so this is it. Okay, right at the 15.2, I will try to analyze this zone right here, this zone right there. I want to understand what the market was doing. All right, so this is it. This was a fake out. I understand this was a fake out right there. because that's somehow a double, head and shoulder. Sorry guys, this is a head and shoulder because these are right shoulder, left shoulder right there. This is the head neckline, and this is now the right shoulder. So probably people thought that they were supposed to go down, and they were right because the market kind of was in an uptrend, then broke, and so probably this was a continuation pattern to go down for the bears, right? They were right, but then the market gave them that kind of a manipulation. Like I said before guys, if you understand patterns, then everything should be good. And I'm currently trying to see that the market is trying to give me a head and shoulder to go down. That is to give me a confluence guys. If I call this as a left shoulder right there, then this is a head right there. Now the neckline, now the market is going to give me that kind of a right shoulder before we go down guys. It's easy to identify those patterns guys. That is what I have seen. All right, that makes sense. So if I take this out and maybe do this right there, let me try to draw this as a neckline, probably like this, like that. So this is it. Let's try to do our drawing. We have a left shoulder right there, neckline, head right there, neckline. That is the right shoulder. So this is it, pure price action guys. So how am I going to take this trade? Let me just take you back. All right, let me take you back. This is it. I'll need to cut the shoulders, or the head, sorry. So if I try cutting the head, oh come on baby, if I try cutting the head like this is crazy. I love this, yo. Sometimes I'm always surprised on how I come up with this analysis, how my eyes are sharp, yo. I don't know, but it's amazing guys. It's amazing if you do interpret the market guys and understand. As long as you have those eyes, very sharp eyes that can identify the patterns, because the market will not give you clear direction. It will try to hide everything from you. All right, so this is it. We identify that, and we identify this, and we identify this. All right, so how am I going to take my entry? Already price was in an uptrend and kinda has broken that uptrend. That will be more clear at the 1 minute. Yo, this is crazy. I love this baby. So this is it. So at the 1 minute we was in an uptrend. Yes sir, talk to me baby. It was in an uptrend. I see that clear baby. So if that was happening, that's what was up. And now let's see right there. You tell me guys if this is not a double top. Right here we had a double top to give us a sign that the market wants to go down, and then this was the neckline, and currently that is what the market is trying to respect. Stupid. And then if I try to hide this zone right here, probably this is it. This is lower low, lower high. Guess what? Oh man, I don't know what's happening to me. I don't know how comes I'm seeing these things. I don't know. And look at this guys. If this was a lower low, then guess what? This is impulse, correction, impulse. And since we have that, we now have to identify this kind of behavior to the upper side. Yo, I'm always crazy. I don't know how I do analyze this market, yo. It's crazy. I don't know how I see these patterns. I just see them, yo. I just see them. So this is the 1 minute. So if we have that, guess what? We should be waiting for that break, probably right here. Then our stop loss above this high right here. Okay, so I will just have to also mark this zone right here. I'll mark that zone. That's what's up. Then now that's the area of our stop loss, of course. But then you might try to be safe, then have your stop loss above the hair right here, right, to be safe, because the market might be cheeky. Might do this blah blah, then now try, then fake people out, then take you out. That is if you had your stop loss above here, right? Let me just draw that once again. Come on, once again, let me just draw that. So the market might do this, boom boom, boom, then now try to go up, then take you out, because most probably they know that stop losses are above this zone, then trick you that, oh, that's a double bottom, so we're going up. Then now most people will be taking their buy position, then now that is when the market reverses down. All right, so I like playing safe, guys. I like playing safe, and that is why I prefer around this zone, because that means if the market takes out this hair right here, because remember we also had a double top right there, then now guess what, the market is reversing to go up, so we just take that loss. All right, because losses are part of the game. We don't tell the market where to go, we just react to what we see. So that is it. Then we target now all the way down, baby. So this is it. We have this. I remember, guys, I did have a buy on this trade. The market went up and took profit, so now I believe it's going to go down. But before having this buy, guys, they also had a sell some times back, guys, last week I believe, around this zone. Took that sell because I was trying to target here, but then the market did not tried it to go back. Then when I saw the market going back, took a buy here, and now we see that the market wants to go down. So this is it. We see that the market might do this when it touches that neckline of ours, then now play out like this in that kind of a bullish flag, then now continue doing as usual, you know. Oh, sorry for my drawing. Let me just draw that again now. Let me try to be keen. Boom, 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 then breaks, then boom, 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 then we go. So that's the kind of pattern that I should be trying to see how the market will be reacting or making, you know. So this is it. So if the market doesn't do this, and let's say the market just drops and breaks this support of ours, then guess what, we should be expecting that kind of a play or that kind of a pullback like this. Let me just draw, because the market came with an impulse, so we need to see corrections right there. Then now impulse, correction right there, impulse, correction right there, impulse, and then that is all we need to be seeing, guys. Is that simple, right? I'm just seeing only sales here. I don't know, I'm just trying to see sales. Let me see if I can get buys. Let me see if the market can give me buys. I don't know, we just need to understand. But currently the market is giving us indication that it wants to drop. All right, that is currently. And if the market opens tomorrow and we have that kind of a break, then I'm going to take my sell positions, guys. So I'll just set an alert right there. How many pips? Let me see. Probably 14 pips. Then if the market opens and I get that 1 hour candlestick break below this zone that I just identified, guys, that is when I'm going to take my shot. I'm going to take my sell position. Let me just show you right there. I'm going to take my sell position and the market breaks. Okay, it's crazy. So I'll just do this. It's a sell, yes sir. All right, either way, if we see any kind of reversal to go up, then we'll just react to that. But currently, guys, most of the confluence that I have are just showing me sales. So Euro NZD, I'm going to go for my sales position and then add this right there, guys. I'll just give it the last pair. So let me see any random pair. Let me see any random pair. Where are you? Boom. Oh, where are you? Let me just try. Boom. Oh, GBP card. I clicked on GBP card. If that is it, or let me try trade analyzing gold. Even though I don't trade gold, but I believe most people trade gold. So for the golden traders, let me try something for you. Let me go back from the weekly. Yo, I had this golden analysis and it played out nice, guys. My prediction was nice from last week, over 400 pips on gold, and it happened. I sent that to my Telegram group, guys, and they ate. So this is it. We can see that that is what the market was trying to do. So like I say, once again, I use my brush tool. blah 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 blah. All right, so let me see if I do extend this to my left right here, come on, I need that to be more clean and accurate, all right. So this is it. Let's go back to our demand and supply zone kind of strategy, guys. So let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Let's mark that with our rectangle tool like that. All right, so we have to call this out. That's the supply right there. Then below right here we have our demand zone. All right, that's the demand, so we have to lock that, guys. It is what it is. I do what the market is telling me. If the market is trending, I go with the trend. If the market swings, I go with the swing. And currently the market is moving sideways, and then the market is moving sideways. How about this? Let's use our demand and supply kind of strategy, because that is what the market requires me to use. So kind of a lot of strategies, guys, a lot of strategies. So let's go. Hit the supply, then did this, hit that, hit this, okay. So what is this goal trying to tell me? Let me see if we had this. I don't know if it will make sense, but everything will try to make sense at the lower time frame either way. So we just have to do this. Now we want to analyze the current market price right here. We want to analyze this and understand the next station that this train wants to go to. All right, we react to what the market is telling us here, what the market will be telling us, and only look for patterns and shapes, because those ones will tell us the right direction. Yo. We don't want to fall in. Don't angry me. Yo, let me see something. I need to look out for the last high that this gold she had. Whoa, there's no high. I'm looking at 3 months ago, but there's no high. This gold is crazy. Why is this thing telling me it wants to break this zone right here? Whoa. Yo, gold is crazy. All right, either way, that's what's up, because it's trying to go. Oh yeah, I got it. So what I've seen is this, guys. Gold is trying to go back to this zone right here, back to our supply zone. Now that is when it might try to drop. So look at this, probably to give us that kind of a double top. This was an impulse correction or bullish pattern. Then guess what? You talk to me and tell me that. Now look at this. How did the market approach this trend line of ours, guys? I talk about this every day. Understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance, and how did it approach that. That's another kind of a continuation pattern, impulse correction. This is crazy. So you don't need rocket science to understand that gold is going up. So look at that. So this was a bearish channel right here, or a bullish flag, and you see, yeah, that's it. Gold is going up. It wants to break out of this resistance. So let's hit the 4R. Yo, you crazy. Yo. This is how we make it easy. Look easy, yo. Do not complicate anything, guys. You tell me if you seen any kind of indicator in my chart. There's no indicator, guys. Everything right here was just pure price action, and I'm using my eyes. Probably that's the indicator I'm using currently. It is what it is. So if you don't see that, you need some help. If you can't see that, you need some help, yo. This is the goal. And if you can't see there was this kind of trend, stupid, you need some help. Right there. So if we have that zone right there, then I believe gold is going to give us a third. Is there a third? yeah, first, second, third touch. Yeah, so this is it. This is where we have to take our position based on the kind of reaction that we should be seeing for the way gold will be reacting, that is. So let me go back to the one. I've not finished the analysis, guys. I've just said that is what we should be doing, looking for buys, but probably the market is giving us kind of a move to the down. Yo, it's crazy. All right, so let's continue. I've seen gold might try to manipulate people right here for a reversal. What do I mean by that? It might do this. Come on, it might go up to give people some kind of a head and shoulder that it wants to go down and then get people out. Then this when it reverses. Gold is usually crazy, but that is just an anticipation. We'll just see how the market will be reacting. So let's see at the 15. We need to analyze everything, interpret everything right now. So this is it. This is an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, impulse, correction. Thank you. So all this was just an impulse. Now this correction. You see, that's why I talked about that stupid manipulation that gold will try to do, right? Because if you don't understand that kind of movement around this zone, this kind of movement, then you might think gold is trying to reverse. But this is it. If you take it from this zone right here, then this is just a bigger version of an impulse. Now this is now the correction. Then we go up crazy, right? So this is it. We need to analyze. I'm seeing already structures here. If you do this, let me say this, try to understand this at the 1 minute, baby. So what's the 1 minute doing? Talk to me, minute. Talk to me, minute. Okay, right there. So let's interpret that too, our brush tool. So if this was an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, need that kind of an impulse, then okay, right there. So you can see right here we had that kind of pattern. This is the 1 minute, guys. This is the 1 minute, because you will try to understand, guys. You need to understand everything until the last minute. Even I don't know if I can use seconds too. All right, so that is it. So you need to magnify everything, guys. You need to magnify and try to interpret. Okay, that is it. Oh, he's using a lot of trend lines. Yo, why is he doing that? Is that not making his chart dirty? Yo, guys, I need to interpret the market. Let me dirtify my chart, yo. I need to interpret the market. I need to interpret the market like shit, for real. And if I try to zoom in, I don't know why there was this kind of a inverse head and shoulder right here. This is the left shoulder. This is the hair right there. This the right shoulder. All right. So if that was inverse head and shoulder, then let's see, because the kind of pattern that gold is trying to form right here calls for more understanding. Then if we do this right there, cut the head. So if I try to hide the left shoulder, this stupid thing has already started going up. Impulse, correction. Oh Christ. Is this not a bullish channel, my gang, my people? This is not a bullish channel, guys. Is that not a bullish channel? Look at this pattern, or look at this behavior too. Look at that behavior too. It's done. I'm done, yo. So it's gone. So this is it. Should have taken that buy. Let me see. Oh, I've seen it. So this is the zone right there. We need to confirm that the market breaks that zone at the 1 hour to give us confidence that now it's time to buy. Forgot. So this is it. This is how the market closed the hourly. Wow, that's nice. Calls for buys. calls for buys. So this is it. If that market did that, then this is it. Time to break it, baby. Time to break the high. This is it. This is where the gold is going to, but it might do this. It might do this. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this till it reaches there. So it doesn't mean that it will just shoot straight, because now the market is moving in a trend, right? The market is moving in a trend, and either way, if that candlestick, already the candlestick closed about that, so we should be seeing that. I believe the next candlestick, when market opens, will just engulf all of this, and if that's the case, then if you get yourself lucky, then you might take that entry, and ride gold all the way up. And then if the next candlestick, that is, if the candlestick opens today moving down like this, let me show you a bearish candlestick to take that down, then now we should be looking for reversal structures right here, because there's no way we should be selling gold. All right, so this is it. We should be looking for the market to do this, probably then now do this, maybe head, maybe like this, to give us that right shoulder. Then that is when we should ride gold. Right, this is it. This is it. That is it. Then now stop loss below your right shoulder like that. Right, if that next candlestick opens bearish, that is what we should be looking, or rather, if that inverse head and shoulder doesn't happen, then you should be looking for maybe a double bottom. Come on. Something like that. Either way, right? That is it. So the reason why I'm talking about buys is this, guys. If gold wants to go down, it has to go back and break this last structure. This is it. So there's no way the market, I believe, will still go up, right? That is, if it wants to go down, that is to give us a confirmation that now the market is from bullish to bearish, then this low has to be broken. So for now, either way, if you see the market still dropping, that is, do not try to sell. All right, understand the market might be doing this, go back right here, then that is when it shoots up, right? Unless it breaks below. So that is it for gold, guys. So gold, I'm going in for buys, guys. That is it. So I believe that was something, guys. We'll learn something, and smash that subscribe button. Check out my Telegram channel right below, link in the description box. And adios, mi amigos. Peace.